What's up people? Today I will show you how Discord Nitro works and how they use it to check badges, to check avatars, banners, animated emojis, and probably everything you can think of that is on Discord. So as you can see, now the user doesn't have a Nitro, so there is false in this state, and also it displays user doesn't have a Nitro. If we set this to true, it shows that user has a Nitro, and you can use it with images and basically everything you can think of that you need in your app for your premium version. Also, I have it here with images to show you how this really works. So now the user has a Nitro, and if we set this again to false, it shows a different image because this is a GIF and this is a JPEG image, and also it's a different image than this one.